how to add a transparent text or a see-through text on an image. So this is again super easy. With Canva the things are very easy to create. Let's go on the right side of the screen. It's create, you have the button with create a design, and in today's video we are going to create a wallpaper. You can create any other kind of design, and we are going to need, let's see, maybe a picture with a beach. We are going to search for that. Photos, this one, it's good. Right click on it and then set the image as a background. Okay, now we are going to add our text. Add a text box, let's say, I don't know, vacation, holidays, whatever you want it to be. And from here we are going to change the text font down here, and let's search for 210, and at the end of the results you are going to have the 210 black box. Click on that, and as you can see, it's already in a box. So now we can just make it bigger, maybe change the color. Let me change it to white. I think it's gonna look better. Absolutely. I want to check if we can add space here and a space there. Amazing. Good. And that was it. Now you can save your design. Also, in case you want to save only the text, so maybe you want to use it on your web design or somewhere else on the internet, then you can select the transparent background, and when you download it, it's gonna come out just the text. But right now we are doing the entire image, so that's it. Good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.